Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your vehicle's AC system using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including a can of R134 refrigerant, a charging hose with a built-in pressure gauge, and safety glasses. Next, start your car and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Finally, find the low-pressure service port, usually on the larger diameter AC line. Now let's connect the charging hose. First, screw the hose onto the top of the refrigerant can. Then, firmly attach the other end of the hose to the low-pressure service port you just located. You should hear a slight hiss as it connects. Once attached, turn the can tap valve clockwise to puncture the can. Before adding refrigerant, take a moment to note the current pressure reading on the gauge. With everything connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Release the trigger and check the pressure gauge. You want to reach a low side pressure of around 30 to 40 psi when the compressor is running. Continue adding refrigerant in short bursts, checking the gauge each time until you reach this target range for optimal cooling performance. Once your gauge shows the correct pressure, quickly disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure port. Be careful, as a small amount of refrigerant might escape. Now, hop back into your vehicle and test the air conditioning. You should feel noticeably colder air coming from the vents. If your AC system loses its charge again within a few weeks, it likely has a leak that needs professional attention. Enjoy your cool ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.